Hello and welcome to the fourth in my series of 5 top tips for winter maintenance for your motorcycle. And step 4 is getting it inside and protected. Let's get to it. I'm going to need a paddock stand, but I'm going to need one that's already made up. So, and that will do nicely. Right, let's get started. And there we are, she's on her stand. Now, let's get her covered. And there we have it. That's tip number 4. Bike successfully in its shed, protected. Next step, let's have the lock. Make sure the shed doors are kept locked in accordance with the insurance requirements. Tip number 5 coming next is battery maintenance. Most important with the BSA, remember the breakdown when the battery failed. Got to make sure that's looked after. But I got a different way of managing it this year, and I'll show you that in the next video. But before watching the next video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Very important, keeps the channel growing, keeps us getting traction on YouTube, more videos, more views, better quality content.